Hello students, today we are going to start Social Science Economics chapter number 1, The Story of Village Palampur. So let's get started. Overview of the chapter. A story of a hypothetical village called Palampur. To introduce some basic concepts relating to production. The small scale manufacturing, dairy, transport, etc. are carried out on a limited scale in the village. Various resources combine to produce the desired goods and services in the village. Now, the introduction of the chapter. Farming is the main activity in Palampur, whereas several other activities such as small scale manufacturing, dairy, transport are carried out on a limited scale. These production activities need various types of resources such as natural resources, man-made items, human efforts, money, etc. Palampur is well connected with neighboring villages and towns. Raiganj, a big village, is 3 kilometers from Palampur. An all-weather road connects the village to Raiganj and further on the nearest small town of Shapur. Many kinds of transport are visible on this road starting from bullock carts, tangas, buggies loaded with jaggery and other commodities to motor vehicle like motorcycles, jeeps, tractors and trucks. So this is the introduction of the chapter, the story of village Palampur. Now let's discuss about the village. This village has about 450 families belonging to several different castes. The 80 upper caste families own the majority of land in the village. Their houses, some of them quite large, are made of brick and cement plastering. The SCs comprise one third of the population and live in one corner of the village and in much smaller houses, some of which are of mud and straw. Electricity powers all the tube wells in the fields and is used in various types of small business. Palampur has two primary schools and one high school. There is a primary health center run by the government and one private dispensary where the sick are treated. Now, organization of production. The aim of production is to produce the goods and services that we want. There are four requirements for production of goods and services. The first one is requirement is land. The second requirement is labor. The third requirement is physical capital. So there are two parts of physical capital. First one is tools, machines, buildings. Tools machines range from very simple tools such as farmer's plow to sophisticated machines such as generators, turbines, computers, etc. Tools, machines, buildings can be used in production over many years and are called fixed capitals. Next, raw materials and money in hand. Production requires a variety of raw materials such as the yarn used by the weaver and the clay used by the potter. Also, Some money is always required during production to make payments and buy other necessary items. Raw materials and money in hand are called working capital. So we have seen that fixed capital and working capital. Now, factors of production. Every production is organized by combining land, labor, physical capital and human capital is known as factors of production. By combining land, labor, physical capital and human capital is known as factors of production. Farming in Palampur. Land is fixed. Farming is the main production activity in Palampur. 75% of the people who are working are dependent on farming for their livelihood. 75%. They could be farmers or farm laborers. There is a basic constraint in raising farm production. Land area under cultivation is practically fixed. Since 1960 in Palampur, there has been no expansion in land area under cultivation. By then, some of the wastelands in the village had been converted to cultivable land. There exists no further scope to increase farm production by bringing new land under cultivation. The standard unit of measure land is hectare. So, what is hectare? Let me discuss. Do you know 1 hectare of land equals to 10,000 square meter? Now, some multiple choice questions. First one is, what is the main activity of Palampur? A. Farming, B. Transport, C. Manufacturing, D. Dairy farming, or E. All of the above. The factors of production are organization, land, labor, capital, all of the above options. SC Dalits comprise dash of population, 1/3, 1/4, half, 1/10 or 1/5. What is the first requirement for a production? Capital, labor, land, organization or human capital. How many people are engaged in farming in Palampur? 75%, 50%, 80%, 40% or 25%. Which of these are fixed capital? Building, machines, both A and B, clay or yarn. What is a fixed capital in a production? Materials that cannot be used every year, materials that are bought every year, materials that are either bought once a year or materials that can be used for many years, or both D and E. And the last question is, what is the standard unit of measurement of land? Meter, yards, biga, hectares or guintha. So okay. Further, we will discuss about the remaining chapter. Thank you.